Your generator's fired. This solar beast just replaced it, off-grid hack you'll regret missing. You're out there hustling, whether it's your RV life, off-grid cabin dreams, or mobile office grind, and boom, your sketchy old power setup dies, again. Between the sketchy charge, random outages, and duct-taped DIY fixes, your freedom is stuck on life support. Wasted hours. Fried circuits. Batteries that ghost you faster than your last Hinge date. It's like relying on a knockoff charger for a cross-country road trip. Sooner or later, you're toast. The pain? Real. The stress? High voltage. But hey, you're not alone. Thousands of solar rookies hit this same wall. Ready to break the cycle? Let's go deeper. Missed project uploads because your rig lost power mid-export? Yep. Groggy mornings caused the coffee machine couldn't even muster a burp? Been there. The creeping dread of storms, outages, and failed inverter alerts, it all adds up. You shouldn't need a PhD in electrical engineering just to keep your van powered or your homestead running. This isn't just annoying, it's costing you memories, money, and momentum. Worse still? All those budget solar kits leave you with spaghetti wires and regret. But you deserve better. This ain't your grandpa's janky panel set. The Renogy 400-watt 12-volt premium solar power kit is a high-efficiency, Bluetooth-enabled, off-grid monster. Think 2.5 kilowatt-hours of daily juice, 99% MPPT tracking, and a charge controller that's practically psychic. It adjusts to battery temps in real time. What? Rugged aluminum frame? Check. Remote monitoring with the Renogy app? Yup. Safety fuses for days? You bet. Whether you're deep in the woods or road tripping across deserts, this kit turns chaos into calm. Just mount, connect, and flex on fossil fuels. Let's talk perks. You get power without the gas, noise, or carbon guilt. The Renogy kit handles wind, snow, heat, and your 3 a.m. paranoia like a boss. Panels pre-drilled for fast mounting? Yup. Real-time tracking on your phone? Double yup. Even the wiring makes sense, and won't require a decoder ring. Folks are saying it powers their whole RV setup and still has juice left for late-night movie marathons. So here's your gentle nudge, tap the link, dive into the details, and see why over 10,000 off-gridders swear by Renogy. Time's ticking, sunshine's free, and Renogy kits move fast, especially when they're bundled like this. Want to avoid outages, stress, and solar regrets? Then grab yours now before the price hikes or stock dips. Seriously. Thousands already ditched their generators, and the reviews don't lie. Best decision ever, flawless in every storm, powered our cabin for months. You deserve power that doesn't flake. So don't overthink it, click, claim, and charge your life up. The sun's calling. Will you answer or snooze it again?